5 Coordinate Geometry. Introduction. Chapter 5 Coordinate Geometry. Introduction. You have studied that to locate the position of a point on a plane, we require a pair of coordinate axes. The distance of a point from the y-axis is called its x-coordinate or abscissa. The distance of a point from the x-axis is called its y-coordinate or ordinate. The coordinate of a point on the x-axis are of the form x0 and of a point on the y-axis are of the form 0y. In fact, coordinate geometry has been developed as an algebraic tool for studying geometry of figures. It helps us to study geometry using algebra and understand algebra with the help of geometry. Because of this, coordinate geometry is widely applied in various fields such as physics, engineering, navigation, seismology, and art. In this chapter, you will learn how to find the distance between the 2 points whose coordinates are given. Find the coordinate of the points which divides a line segment joining 2 given points in a given ratio. In this lesson, let's study distance formula, section formula, slope of a line. Let's recall. We know how to find the distance between any 2 points on a number line. If coordinates of points P, Q and R are -1, -5 and 4 respectively, then find the length of segment PQ, segment QR. If x1 and x2 are the coordinates of points A and B and x2 is greater than x1, then length of segment AB is equal to distance of AB is equal to x2 minus x1. As shown in the figure, coordinates of points P, Q and R are -1, -5 and 4 respectively. Therefore, distance of PQ is equal to -1 minus of -5, which is equal to -1 plus 5, which is equal to 4. And distance of QR is equal to 4 minus of -5, which is equal to 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9. Using the same concept, we can find the distance between 2 points on the same axis in xy plane. Let's learn. 1. To find distance between any 2 points on an axis. 2 points on an axis are like 2 points on the number line. Note that points on the x-axis have coordinates such as 2, 0, -5 upon 2, 0, 8, 0. Similarly, points on the y-axis have coordinates such as 0, 1, 0, 17 upon 2, 0, -3. Part of the x-axis which shows negative coordinates is OX dash, and part of the y-axis which shows negative coordinates is OY dash. 1. To find distance between 2 points on x-axis. In the above figure, points A, x1, 0 and B, x2, 0 are on x-axis such that x2 is greater than x1. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to x2 minus x1. 2. To find distance between 2 points on y-axis. In the above figure, points P, 0, y1 and Q, 0, y2 are on y-axis such that y2 is greater than y1. Therefore, distance of PQ is equal to y2 minus y1. To find the distance between 2 points, if the segment joining these points is parallel to any axis in the xy plane. 1. In the figure, segment AB is parallel to x-axis. Therefore, y coordinates of points A and B are equal. Draw segment AL and segment BM perpendicular to x-axis. Therefore, quadrilateral ABML is rectangle. Therefore, AB is equal to LM. But LM is equal to x2 minus x1. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to x2 minus x1. 2. In the figure, segment PQ is parallel to y-axis. Therefore, x-coordinates of points P and Q are equal. Draw segment PR and segment QS perpendicular to y-axis. Therefore, quadrilateral PQSR is a rectangle. Therefore, PQ is equal to RS. But RS is equal to y2 minus y1. Therefore, distance of PQ is equal to y2 minus y1. Activity. In the figure, segment AB is parallel to y-axis and segment CB is parallel to x-axis. Coordinates of points A and C are given. To find AC, fill in the boxes given below. Triangle ABC is a right-angled triangle. According to Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. We will find coordinates of point B to find the lengths AB and BC. CB is parallel to x-axis. Therefore, y-coordinate of B is equal to 2. BA is parallel to y-axis. Therefore, x-coordinate of B is equal to 2. AB is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. BC is equal to 2 minus of minus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, AC square is equal to 1 square plus 4 square is equal to 1 plus 16 is equal to 17. Therefore, AC is equal to under root of 17. Let's learn. Distance formula. In the figure, A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 are any 2 points in the xy plane. From point B, draw perpendicular BP on x-axis. Similarly, from point A, draw perpendicular AD on segment BP. Segment BP is parallel to y-axis. Therefore, the x-coordinate of point D is x2. Segment AD is parallel to x-axis. Therefore, the y-coordinate of point D is y1. Therefore, AD is equal to distance of AD, which is equal to x2 minus x1. BD is equal to distance of BD, which is equal to y2 minus y1. In right-angled triangle, triangle ABD, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square, which is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Therefore, AB is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is known as distance formula. Note that under root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square is equal to under root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Distance formula. In the previous activity, we found the lengths of segment AB and segment AC and then used Pythagoras theorem to find the length of segment AC. Now, we will use distance formula to find AC. A 2, 3 and C minus 2, 2 is given. Let A x1 y1 and